Hi, my dear friends. Today, our topic is learner friendly learning. Who is a friend? A friend in need is a friend, is it? Indeed. ആവശ്യങ്ങളിൽ ഉപകരിക്കുന്നവനാണ് ഫ്രണ്ട്. അപ്പം ലേണർ ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ലേണിംഗ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും? യു നോ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ലേണിംഗ്? ലേണിംഗ് ഈസ് ബിഹേവിയറൽ ചേഞ്ച് സൈക്കോളജി. അപ്പോൾ ലേണർ ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി എന്ന് പറയുമ്പം എന്തൊക്കെ കാര്യങ്ങളായിരിക്കും നമ്മൾ മനസ്സിൽ കൊണ്ടുവരണ്ടേ? ഒന്ന്, ലേണർ ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി അറ്റ്മോസ്ഫിയർ, ദെൻ ലേണർ ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ടീച്ചിങ് മെത്തഡോളജി, ദെൻ ലേണർ ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ടീച്ചർ. These three are going hand in hand. The environment is a fact, and the learner is a fact, and the teacher is also a fact. So, if three are co-working together, the learning will be learner friendly. So, I would like to give a simple explanation about learner friendly atmosphere. Learner friendly approach, there is a teaching that built upon the understanding of the learning process. ലേണിംഗ് പ്രോസസ്സ് മനസ്സിലാക്കി മുന്നോട്ട് പോകണം. ഞാൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് മാത്രം പറയാൻ പലർക്കും ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുള്ളതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ മലയാളത്തിലൂടെ പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പം ടീച്ചർ മസ്റ്റ് പ്രൊവൈഡ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് വിത്ത് ലേണിംഗ് എൻവയോൺമെൻറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് സേഫ് ആൻഡ് എൻജോയബിൾ. വാട്ട് ഈസ് സേഫ്? യു ആർ കമ്മിങ് ടു ദ കോളേജ് and studying in a college, you should feel safety. Safety of what? Safety of the environment. Then that's only the safety of the surroundings, safety of the sanitation, safety of the ground, library, everything. So learner friendly atmosphere means all the facilities provided by the college or the school should be friendly to the receiver, that is student or the child. So learner friendly approach. The only successful learning is going to take place in this learner friendly approach. Formerly there was autocratic teachers, but now it is democratic teachers, most of us. And the parenting nowadays is friendly. Like the teaching also should be friendly. Okay. Now, the experience means, what is learner friendly experience? A school as a teacher or should provide all what is needed to the learner. All what is needed to the learner means, are you coming to the study alone in the school or the college? You want recreation. You want the time to eat your food. You want to go to your bathroom. You want leisure time, recreational time. All these are learner friendly experiential learning. Then students should not get bored, and they should get practical solution to their practical life. That is learner friendly approach. But the theory should be there. Directly we are not encountering into the theory. When we are teaching about the concentration, for an example, that is a theory. But when we are teaching the concentration, the areas of concentration we will find. The theory we will apply in the areas of concentration. The steps will be. That means the theory and the practical will be taught together. So, learner-friendly approach, we are giving proper emphasis to the theory, and at the very same time, we are equipping the student to solve a particular problem which you are going to encounter in your future life. So, effective school atmosphere, I said it earlier, water, sanitation, all the children should have that is an important thing. Now, all the children is having the right of education. right to education. They are having the right to education. Or all the children will learn, irrespective of caste, creed, sex, and all the discriminations are gone. All the children will learn something, and it is their right. Hmm? So all the children are different also. I am not resembling like you, is it? You are not resembling like me. So all the children, to cater the education to all the children, are you a teacher who is able to be friendly with 45 students? 40, they are coming from 45 atmosphere. If they are coming from 45 atmosphere and 45 parents, you have to consider them friendly, irrespective of the caste, creed, religion, sex, etc. That is called learner friendly approach. For what the learner friendly approach? To bring the maximum potential of the children. The maximum potential means not only in theoretical side. The child may be having wonderful potential in singing, in football, or in cricket, or in martial arts, or something anything. So all the potential should be bring forth. That is called learner friendly approach in teaching or learning. So aimed is to improve the children's participation in learning. Participation learning means not only the curricular activities, co-curricular activities also an important thing. So you may please concentrate in your subject, not in your examination. This is an important point which I wanted to state in front of you. Most of us are studying for what? For the examination. Very poor and very sorry. You all are concentrating the examination. You want the mark of C, then you want to submit the assignment. Anyway, I want to pass BA. That is our question. No, that is not learner-friendly approach. Learner-friendly approach is to bring the maximum potential from you. It is not the examination or evaluation or something. This is not the question of mark. It is a question to bring forth what is hidden in you. As Vivekananda said, the manifestation already in you. That is the aim to bring. Then learning friendly is, I said it, learning friendly to the environment, to the children and to the teacher. Then student, teacher and the community comes together in learner friendly approach. Then children is the center of learning every time, not the teacher. Nowadays the education has changed and said that the teacher-centered education has changed, and they are saying that the child is the master. Child is the teacher of a teacher. And you might have got a gist of what is learner-friendly approach. First one, learner-friendly atmosphere, learner-friendly teacher, learner-friendly child. Three things. Then learner-friendly school. All the facilities should be provided. No need of fear there. Then, not the theory, to solve the practical problems of the life. Then, what is needed is to solve the practical problems on the base of the theory. So, try to understand all these things. You may go for some other reading also. I will send the today's material tomorrow via WhatsApp. Thank you all.